Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to combine videos on TikTok. First, open your TikTok app. From here, tap on the plus icon in the middle. Now tap on Gallery or Upload on the bottom right. Once you're here, scroll through and select the videos that you want to put. After that, tap on Next, and then wait for it to get loaded. Once it's done, adjust your TikTok as you want. You can also change the order of the video if you want. Just go back and select the second one first and the first one second. After that, tap on Next again. Now wait for it to get loaded. Once it's loaded, as you can see, the second video is now being shown first. Now just go to Edit and edit your TikTok as you want. Once it's done, tap on Save on the top right. Now your TikTok is ready to be posted. Just tap on Next and post your TikTok. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.